more than 200 people from different organizations and places that working together for a common goal improve the citizen participation. What is the magic formula? Get satisfaction from interaction with colleagues and have impact not only on the work but also in the relation. This is the real power of facilitation. It helps people to working together as a free choice, not because we have to do that. Also in pandemic times, when we can't feel the breath of others, we working together for a common goal. COVID did not stop us, indeed, allow us to experiment new solutions and new ways to engage our stakeholders. This is our community of practice, and our experience could be replicated. The important thing is to believe in it. When we start, it was only a challenge, but now it's a growing community.